Hey guys, today we're going to be driving a 79 Chevy Silverado and I will reload it so you can hear it start up. Got the winch, got the snorkel, got weights in the bed. Truck's insanely loud, but it's pretty cool. I'll show you the one problem with it whenever I'm close to done with this part of the video. I decided to just make one big, long mashup of Spintires videos today. Yeah, this thing's really slow, by the way. But it is a beast. Sorry if you can hear music in the background. I don't know if you can or not. But it is there. See if I can manage to find my way to my trail I always drive on whenever I test vehicles on videos. This ain't it, but I think this will get me there. Oh crap. Yeah, I'm falling through the map. No, I'm not. Yeah, I'm falling through something here. This is mush. This is not good for this Silverado's body. This is not good on Russian truck. Russian truck simulator. You know what? I'm just gonna snap it. Snap. And we're back to where we started. Snap a bunch, so we are still in the... There we go. Back up. Back up! Back up! Keep on, keep on. There we go. No, 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 no! It's not what I had planned. Okay. Let's drive. Turn all that crap off so we can get faster speeds. And keep all-wheel drive on. Maybe not. Drift. Drift. I'm overcorrecting. I love how this truck sounds like it's about to blow up. Well, that took down trees nicely. It's insane. Well... Go mudding. Not just flipping. There's some mud right there. Now my truck in person looks about like this. Not this body, not this paint job, but this lift, these tires, all that kind of stuff. I do not have weights or a snorkel or a winch yet. And my paint job sucks. It's factory and it's all peeling off on my 89 GMC, but the tires and the lift is about the same as this truck, so I set up about that high. And it honestly don't look bad. Switch over to automatic here. Get high gear. And pull. Maybe low gear. Ooh, what's that? More kicking the floor. Hoping my video doesn't get interrupted. Oh! Whoa, whoa, what was that? Some kind of pothole? And I think I fell through the map again. Did I fall through the map, guys? Is he gonna make it? Is this the end of this truck? Is she stops here, I'm just gonna park it. You know what? I think I'm just gonna park it anyway. Yeah, you know what? I think that's a good spot for this truck to rest. It did its job. Let's go ahead and add in. I'm gonna have to install it real quick, so your screen's probably froze here, but that is okay. I will be back. Tractors. Alright, I am back. Go ahead and install. It's gonna freeze again. No, it didn't freeze. Huh. Install this. Add that. Then install add trailer 1. Add that. Go ahead and get rid of this truck. Remove. Tractor. Spin tractors. And there is a way to connect this. It's gonna take me a while to figure out. But there is a way. I think it's K. If I can get out of this mud. You know what? Better idea. This guy, remove. This guy, rescue. Yes. Where is it? Where did it? What? Pull forward. Now we will add us a nice big trailer to pull. Ooh, big log trailer. Very nice. K, L, J, G, F, T, T? No, P, O, Enter, Shift, Space. What connects the trailer? Thought it was K, but it doesn't appear to be K. This is odd. We'll figure this out together. Oh, that might be the problem. The trailer's floating in thin. There we go. Now we'll try to back up to it. Hit K. I believe K is it. No, not K. L. M, N, B. I'm just hitting all the buttons, guys, so bear with me. Eventually I'll get it. Oh, what'd that do? It's like a shadows. R, Q. Thought it was K. Alt, Control, Shift, Tab, that thing, whatever that is. F's, no. There we go. I don't know what I just did, or what did it, but it worked. Was it K? Nope, I give up. I don't know what it was. But hey, we are pulling our log trailer. That's what we wanted. Who cares how we did it? Except me. Because I have to figure out how to unhook it later. It really does tear down your engine though. Try to pull this through some mud. Can't really see too well. Ooh, that's bogging down. Engine's like mentally dying. Look at the trailer tires, they're like spinning. Not spinning, I mean, they're like sticking. Can you blame them? I don't know, I just wanted to pull some heavy logs. Did my engine blow up? It sounds like it blew up. I don't know. Now we gotta go clean up the logs. There's a way you could flip and get a better view on things. There we go. That's a better view on things, isn't it? Where am I going? My gosh. I'm gonna go through the river. Mud. Mud crossing. Wow, didn't even phase it. More mud. Run. Come on. You made it this far. Yeah, this is deep. This is deep. Ah, this is deep. The engine just crapped itself. The trailer's bouncing everywhere. This is wonderful. And I'm like a shadow of a man in there, not even driving right. Not even holding the steering wheel. My tractor is not doing too well. Go in here and clean off the tires if they don't get cleaned off by themselves before I get there. Yeah, they're getting cleaned off by themselves. Oh, no, I cleaned it. It was all me. Keep on driving. Drive to the middle of the river, then I'm shutting this off. This will be the last section of this video. I have some old Spintires recordings I throw in there too, that I never did. You're gonna see that my videos are mainly on weekends. You might get lucky, but you're not gonna get lucky. It's like I'm never gonna figure out how I unhook to my trailer. I think I'm just gonna park here. See where the tide takes me. Try to unhook. P? Was it P? I think it's P. Did P do it? Am I free? Nope. Oh. I. You. YT. Oh! Which one was it? Was it Y? I think it was Y. No, T. T. Duh. No. Y? Come on. I don't know. I give up. Well,